What's up YouTube, GB Trades here again for another day. Today is October 21, 9:20 a.m. So for today I'm just going to be trading my alpha accounts. I'm not going to be trading my top step account yet because I'm trying to get another payout with the alpha accounts, hopefully this week again. And then I guess I'll probably do 3 more evals on the top step so I can go in with 5 top step accounts, so pretty much max allocated before I even go start trading them. So for right now I'm just gonna be focusing on my alpha accounts. So yeah, yesterday I didn't take any trades because obviously there was an outage regarding Amazon, so majority of their services were pretty much down. Anyways, going in the day, pretty bullish. I do have this all-time highs right here we can target. Previous daily lows pretty far away, and we're also in this bullish daily gap. So, alright, I can't really say it's a daily gap since we have to wait for this candle to close today, so we'll see. But we're in this 4-hour gap anyways. Right there, 4-hour bullish gap. We actually inversed this yesterday, or was it today? Was yesterday, yes. And we barely moved overnight, I guess due to the fact that the services were kind of down. I guess there was no volume during that time, or barely any volume. But anyways, get rid of this. We're also in this 1-hour gap as well. Here, same thing. It was the same thing. Yeah, 1 hour and 4 hours pretty correlated right now. Anyways, targets. Let's see. I would target, I think it's, yeah, Asia highs right here. Also we have London lows. Yeah, so those are the 2 targets right now. We're pretty close to London lows. I would want to sweep London lows maybe, and maybe take out the 4-hour gap here probably. That'll be my 2 targets for the day if we do go bearish. If we end up being bearish at market open, because this one hasn't been tapped yet. This one hasn't been tapped. Wait, this one here, but that's pretty far. So let's see, 15 minutes, we have 50 minutes somewhere here. When we inverse this 15-minute gap, we might inverse it. Then what else I have here? I guess another, that's pretty small though. We do have this 15-minute gap here as well. I do want to go higher a little bit. Then if we close down, I'd target these 2 here. I'll probably stay with NQ for now because I think MNQ is a little messed up in terms of chart. Yeah, I don't know. Let's stay with NQ for today. So we're gonna be doing 1 contract for now. So yeah, I'm gonna go to ES. We'll see how ES looks like. I'm not sure if it's messed up. Oh yeah, it's messed up. So I'll go ES. Micro ES. Okay, so daily. ES is pretty far away from hitting that all-time highs. While NQ is pretty close. Get rid of that. So I'm just gonna be putting out whatever I'm gonna target. Same thing. 4-hour gap hasn't been tapped. And then just want to be sure, because I messed that up last time. I put the wrong lines. the wrong time. So yeah, there's the targets for the day. See for SMTs here. Wait 30 minutes. Yeah, I don't really see any SMTs right now. Maybe daily. No. Okay. Someone's market open. Oopsie. Oh yeah, I need 2 more days to request another payout with these two right here. Because I took out the payout last week on this one. So I'm trading with 3 accounts again. Yeah, I took like the 1.5k payout, but obviously there's a 90% split with alpha. So I only got like 1350 out of it, but that's still a pretty huge number. Wait, what happened? Wait, something happened. What the hell? My drawings were gone. Alright, let's do it again. I don't know what happened there. It somehow got deleted. Huh. Whatever. Anyways, 15 minutes. So we might inverse it or not. So we'll see. We have another one here. What was that? Guess I can use this one here. So yeah, those two. I just hope that we're gonna be correlated with ES. That way there will be no bullshitting today. Since I'm only going for 1 contract, since it's NQ. But we'll see. I might go for 2. I think I can only go for 1. I think. Where was that? Yeah, only 1. Because I haven't gone past the 2000 balance here. I'm only at 1.2k, so see 5-minute gaps somewhere. There's a 5-minute here. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish. This was yesterday though. We dumped a little bit. Retrace maybe? That'd be a retrace somehow. So a retrace in this 1 hour gap. Which never has been inversed. So if we keep holding that, we might, touch all-time highs. So we'll see what happens. So this is a 15-minute gap here. London highs, I think. Asia highs. No, Asia highs. So target these or these 2 right here. So whichever comes first. We got 1 minute away from market open. Yeah. Let's go target. It's just a bunch of wicks, to be honest with you. 930? No. I'll make an SMT right here. Probably make an SMT with this small ass candle here. No. Let's see. Got a 1 minute gap here. Small gap. Oh, target this here. Something like that. Break even right here. If we do go lower, 30 seconds.
Order filled.
Or should I go for this one here instead? Go for the 4 hour gap. She only risk 500 though. Around that range. I'll probably go break even on London lows. Yeah. Or I'll go, I don't know. I just want to go for a 1-to-1 to be honest with you. I might go for a 1-to-1. Just 1-to-1 here. Should go break even now, eh? I feel like I'm gonna get stopped if I go break even now. It's not even right. 1-to-1 is like what? This? Right here? Yeah, I'll go break even. Bad. Or should I go break even? Oh, we hit this low, so yeah. We haven't hit this low here. Could be an SMT.
Order filled.
Yeah, break even there. Kind of got a rejection out of this. We can get a better entry somehow. Let's see how this candle goes. Uh, 10 more seconds. I want to go in prematurely here. You can probably target this low here. guys.
Order
I'm going
filled.
under again. Guess I'll put my stuff somewhere here. Yes. Did I mess up? $500. I'll just put it here. I think I went too early again. Shit. Oh, it's like that. Oh, that's bad. Might get stopped here. We inverse this one here. Probably should have waited more. That was pretty mature. I should have waited for a closure here. We also have an SMT if this one closes below. Go break even here somehow. Break even line again. Maybe put gray break even. We reject. But we haven't really gotten out of this gap. This 2-minute gap. We made an SMT right here. So we'll see if that holds. Because if it doesn't, then I'm gonna get stopped. Put my stop somewhere here. 500. It's dead. Maybe the wick. Let's go for the wick. SMT. So 1-to-1 now. I want to be as close as possible to London lows. At this point, you either lose or win. Because there's really no gaps. It's not forming any gaps at all. Just a bunch of weak wicks. Even though we inverse the 1 minute, we still have the 2-minute gap holding us. So we'll see if this holds us, this 938 gap. Just need to push down, just hit London lows. Getting rid of this 15-minute. The ES is so uncorrelated right now. NQ, see how it's moving. This one I'm not sure where it's gonna go now. NQ is being a little bearish and ES is trying to go up. So weird. Now it's starting to be more correlated. So 1 minute. Okay, it's ugly. An SMT again or what? No. It's really like the nice continuation right here. Boom, boom, boom. Or go break even if we hit this right here again. If I get break even again, man, fuck that. I wanna get a nice 2-minute close at least. Come on. So 1 minute. So now. Okay, go break even. Come on, just flush. Let me get that TP, baby.
Order filled.
There you go. Alright, so I almost got stopped out and down. I was kind of getting scared. Not gonna lie. But hey, we took it. I feel like we're gonna take the 4-hour gap as well, and then maybe bounce back up, take London, no, Asia high. So, but yeah, that should be the trade for the day. I kind of actually went prematurely here. I could have waited for more confirmation that we were gonna go down. I could have entered off of here. Maybe put my stop somewhere here. Maybe put my same stop right here, I would say. Yeah, I could have entered right there instead of entering this 1 minute candle that's still trying to form. So that was my mistake. Because I could have been cooked right there if this candle just kept on ripping up. That would have stopped my ass. But anyways, that'll be for the day. I'm done for the day. Took a W, so I'm not gonna go for another one, obviously. And you know what? Since this lockout feature is free anyway, might as well use it. So I'll use it now. All day. Like I said, I'm not gonna trade anymore today. Not gonna do something bullshit. Gonna set aside my ego for not using this. But yeah, I'll start to use this nowadays. Such a great tool, to be honest with you. It prevents you from over trading and even revenge trading. So that's it. Thanks for watching. At least this video shouldn't be that long, unlike the last video I took, which was like an hour and a half. That was horrible. But anyways, 1 break even, 1 W. So that's it. Have a good day. I'll see you again tomorrow.